Good evening. Saanich police tonight are saying very little about their investigation into a death at a home on Saanich Road. Detectives are questioning several people, and while they have ruled out suicide, they are not saying that the death is suspicious. Mary Beth Burton has our top story.
Saanich police received a non-urgent call from this home in the 3800 block of Saanich Road. The call came in at 9:30 this morning.
Our patrol officers, and it was really what they found at the scene which led to this investigation unfolding and our detectives being engaged.
Police say the death was not a suicide, but so far they're not saying if there was a criminal element to it either. Is it a homicide?
Still a death investigation, and anything to do with the cause or the nature and manner, I mean, that forms the heart of the investigation. Police
won't say the gender or age of the deceased. One officer stands guard outside the house. The property, currently undergoing a full envelope renovation, is surrounded in crime scene tape. Neighbors tell A News that the owner is a single woman in her mid to late 50s. She had a boyfriend who did not live with her, but there were apparently one, possibly two international students here as well. Saanich police say several people in the home were being questioned by detectives at police headquarters. Sergeant Jansen added there were language barriers for some of the interviewees.
We're talking to several people, but we're not seeking the public's assistance in looking for anybody, nor are we putting out, an alert as far as people's personal safety. So we're satisfied in speaking with all the people that were in the residence, and we're doing that right now.
Sergeant Jansen says the death is not a mystery to police, but police are being very mysterious about their investigation.
And Mary Beth Burton joins us now with more. Mary Beth, what else do we know about the story tonight?
Well, Hudson, while we were arriving at Saanich Police Headquarters for our interview with Sergeant Jansen, a young woman of Asian descent was being wheeled away on a stretcher into a waiting ambulance. Jansen won't confirm if she has a connection to the death on Saanich Road. Meantime, our calls to the BC Coroner's Service about this death were not returned today, and Saanich Police says it will have no more to say about its investigation until tomorrow.
All right, we'll watch for that, Mary Beth. Thank you.